Welcome to Golden English Course. Let's learn English. Mari kita belajar bahasa Inggris. Question text. Pertanyaan tambahan. Making question text. Cara membuat question text atau pertanyaan tambahan yang berarti bukan. 1. If the statement is positive, the text is negative. Jika pernyataannya positif, maka teksnya negatif. 2. If the statement is negative, the text is positive. 2. Jika pernyataannya negatif, maka teksnya positif. 3. If there is to be, am, is, are, was, were in the statement, the text is to be itself. Jika ada to be dalam pernyataan, maka yang menjadi teks adalah to be tersebut. 4. Text is always abbreviated. 4. Teks selalu disingkat. Examples. Statement. Text. A. The statement. You are a student. You are a student adalah statement positif, sehingga teksnya negatif. You are a student, aren't you? Kamu seorang pelajar, bukan? B. He is happy, isn't he? Dia berbahagia, bukan? C. She was here yesterday. The text is, she was here yesterday, wasn't she? Dia berada di sini kemarin, bukan? D. They were in the garden last week. The text is, they were in the garden last week, weren't they? Dia berada di kebun minggu lalu, bukan? These are the examples of the negative statement. So the text is positive. E. You are not a doctor. Are you? Anda bukan seorang dokter, bukan? F. Ali isn't here. Is he? Ali tidak berada di sini, bukan? G. She wasn't at home. The text is, she wasn't at home. Was she? Dia tidak berada di rumah, bukan? H. We were not in Jakarta. Kami tidak berada di Jakarta. The text is, we were not in Jakarta. Were we? Kami tidak berada di Jakarta, bukan? Five. If there is an auxiliary verb in the statement, the text is the auxiliary verb itself. 5. Jika terdapat auxiliary verb atau kata kerja bantu dalam statement atau pernyataan, maka teksnya adalah auxiliary verb tersebut. Auxiliary verb: can, may, must, shall, will, have, has, could, might, should, would, had. These are the examples of the statement using auxiliary verb in making text. I can speak English. Kan I? Saya dapat berbahasa Inggris, bukan? You mayn't smoke. May you? Anda tidak boleh merokok, bukan? He must study hard, mustn't he? Dia harus belajar keras, bukan? We shall go on picnic. Shan't we? Kami akan pergi piknik, bukan? You will come here, won't you? Anda akan datang ke sini, bukan? They have some money, haven't they? Mereka mempunyai uang, bukan? The man hasn't a car, has he? Laki-laki itu tidak punya mobil, bukan? We could play chess, couldn't we? Kami dapat bermain catur, bukan? The students wouldn't pass, would they? Siswa-siswa tidak dapat lulus, bukan? He had some problems last time, hadn't he? Dia mempunyai beberapa masalah waktu yang lalu, bukan? Six. If there is no to be and there is no auxiliary verb in the statement, check the tense. 6. Jika tidak terdapat to be dan tidak terdapat auxiliary verb dalam pernyataan, maka periksalah tensesnya. A. If the statement is present tense, the text is do or does. Jika pernyataannya present tense, maka teksnya menggunakan do atau does. For example, contoh, you speak English well, don't you? This is present tense. She cooks some cakes, doesn't she? Dia memasak beberapa kue, bukan? He doesn't work yet, does she? Dia belum bekerja, bukan? B. If the statement is past tense, the text is did. B. Jika pernyataannya dalam bentuk past tense, maka teksnya menggunakan did. For example, contoh, you studied English yesterday, didn't you? Anda belajar bahasa Inggris kemarin, bukan? We went home, didn't we? Kami pulang ke rumah, bukan? She didn't come last week, did she? Dia tidak datang minggu lalu, bukan? Seventh. If the statement is imperative, the text is will you. 7. Jika pernyataannya dalam bentuk kalimat perintah, maka teksnya menggunakan will you. For example, contoh, come here, will you? Datanglah kemari, kamu mau kan? Please help me, will you? Silahkan tolong saya, kamu mau bukan? Thanks for watching. Bye. See you on the next watching video.